Hi, I'm Jonny, and today I'm going to show you one of my favourite recipes to cook, buttermilk chicken. Really simple, really quick, and all in one pan. First things first, we've got the buttermilk in a bowl, flour in a bowl. We're going to get the chicken. I'm going to even show you how to cook it quickly as well. One chicken breast on its side, nice slit in the middle, and we're going to butterfly it. This is going to thin it down and make it cook faster for you. Into the buttermilk. So normally we're going to soak that overnight, but today I'm going to show you real quick, and it's simple and it's rapid. So we've got the flour, the chicken soaking, oregano, a little bit of oregano, a little bit of paprika, a couple of chili flakes, optional obviously, a little bit of cayenne, give that a mix. So we've added all them spices for extra flavour behaviour when we're frying. Flip your board over, potatoes. We're just going to chop the potatoes into chip sizes. I ain't peeling it. Nobody's got time. Straight into the pan, but onto one side of the pan. I'm going to leave them to cook 2-3 minutes, and then I'm going to add the buttermilk chicken, the star of the dish. So the flour, buttermilk, using tongs, drain off the excess, into the flour. Get it nice and coated. Tap off the excess flour and always lay away from you. And we're going to leave that to cook for say 4 or 5 minutes, and it'll be banging. Burger garnish. I'm going to give you my 3 ingredients that will boost that burger garnish and that burger bun for you. We're going to start with tomatoes. We're going to do 2 slices, making sure they're thick. Onion. And we're going to make some onion rings. 3 is more than enough. Gem lettuce. Crisp, straight from the fridge. There's nothing more that you need on a burger bun. There is nothing more. I'm not going to overcomplicate it. I'm not going to go overdo it. This is all you need. Buttermilk chicken, chips. Heaven. Turn over the chicken so it cooks on both sides. Oh, I tell you, look at that. That is flavour behaviour right there. Burger's done, chicken's cooked. We're going to take it out, drain it on a kitchen towel, take away that excess oil, along with the chips. Leave the oil to one side. A little bit of seasoning. Now for the all-important part, we're about to chow down. So, chicken sits on top of the salad with its hat on there. Then, with your chips, potatoes. That there is my super simple, one-pot wonder, homemade buttermilk chicken sandwich. Everyone's had a great meal, everyone's been fed, everyone's loved your cooking. What we're going to do is we're going to leave this oil to one side, leave it to cool. I know what everyone's going to think. They're going to go to the sink and try and pour it down, but we ain't going to do that. I'll tell you what we're going to do. Leave it to cool, even put it straight back into the bottle and dispose of it properly. However, if you have got a lot like here, take it down to your local recycling point and they will dispose of it properly. In the bin, never the sink. Let's help reduce 25,000 blockages across the Northwest alone each year by binning your cooled oil and fat instead of ditching it down your sink. For more information on my recipes, check out the link on the screen now.